Listen, watch how it works. Watch how it work. I got this shit set up. It's in my mind already playing. This is a vision. Before I put this shit out, man, it be inside of my head. It's my subconscious coming out. You hear me? It's some real life shit. People don't understand this shit, man. You either goddamn me get on the wave and ride with this shit, or your ass stand by while a motherfucker fly by you like a motherfucking jet. It is what it is. But this for you. Yeah. Hey, I just want you to know, everything gon' be gold. Solid. Even though you already know, I'm just making sure I'm solid. I just want you to know, hey, everything gon' be gold. I'm solid. Even though you already know, yeah, you know, I'm just making sure you know. Yeah. I got your back, baby girl, that's for sure. Yeah. From the top of your head to your toes. This right here is written in gold. Yeah. My word, stone. Cold. I'm cold. Cold. I'm cold. Cold. I'm cold. Everything written in gold. In gold. Gold. In gold. Gold. In gold. And I want you to know. Yeah. From the bits to the pieces, like Reese. I'm all in for you, baby. For some reason, I don't think you believe me. No secrets. Everything laid out on the table, all equal. And I want you to know that I'm on the front line for you. I take down a mountain lion if you're there to walk towards you. Anything you want is yours. My mission to spoil you. I'ma rock you like an emerald on my vehicle. A torch is needed to remove me from your presence, babe. Even though sometimes we get frictional when we conversate, but this shit just a phase. Stick with me like a pace. Hold on, we roll on. Gon' be better days. Hey, I just want you to know, everything gon' be gold. Solid. Even though you already know. Hey, we the reason why them motherfuckers getting this shit out, like. Yeah. Man, they wouldn't know what to do without it, man. Logging the whole goddamn network on their ass. Well, shit, man, what you do for Thanksgiving, man? How Thanksgiving was?
It was wonderful, man. Killed my family.
Yeah.
Man, had some good turkey dressing. Really just some tradition, tradition.
Yes, sir. Regular old, same old, right?
Same old, same old.
All right, man. That is what it is, man. Well, shit, never say it before a nigga get escorted out this motherfucker. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. It is your guy. Don't keep your mind right, your head high. Cookville Jackson.
Yes, sir.
I just want you to know, everything gon' be gold. Solid. Even though you are